Look at my bird totally turning his back on me. Typical guy. Hey, sir. Hello. Turning your back on me like I did you wrong. Turn around and look at me. Mwah. You bad? You still mad? Oh my goodness. Aren't you something? Look at the camera. Show me beak. Show me beak. Oh, how beautiful your beak is. Oh my god. Yeah, you are not nice. Can I get a kiss? You know how to give me a kiss. You gave me one before. No? Pit. Why you? You are giving me work to do. Work! I think I finally got into this weathered. I'm trying to stay focused on his beauty. Oh. He's the one that's hurt that needs to see a vet, but we can't find a vet that sees birds in New York. Gosh. So, we're looking. It's still kind of early. It's not 5 o'clock yet. It's like almost 4. So we still have